last year we stopped at the brake test, which is a final inspection, and we failed, and our brake pedal actually sheared, which was a huge hit to our confidence as engineers.
We're 38 days out of comp, 2 days away from finals. We just got our accumulator assembled. First time driving. Let's go.
We got our car driving a month ago, which was like a record, I think, for the past 4 years. And I got to do a few rounds of testing.
Different on the television, switching through the channels got me getting tongue.
We're about to go through EV Active. We fixed all the problems that I think we had before, which then means we can go to tilt test, then we go to rain test. They'll spray the back of the car with a bunch of water, and then finally we get to test our brakes. So we run it, slam the brakes, make sure it stops. Once we run through all of that, which hopefully we should be able to do in the next couple hours.
Silicone trees, could they ever grow leaves? Don't believe everything that you see. I wanna be right here, right now. Anxiety overseas, making paper planes.
The testing runs were pretty good. The braking guys got a good data, and then that's why we were able to pass brake test this time.
It felt amazing. I mean, that was the first time in club's history I could hear everyone screaming. That was like one of my favorite, like I will treasure that feeling for the rest of my life. It was amazing.
And I think it was kind of a dream come true as well. Yeah.
I'm grateful for this whole experience, the sheer amount of chaos, stress, and unbelievable success I have endured within this team and within the last 5 days is something that's unforgettable and honestly life-changing, I would say.
It wouldn't have happened without Fictiv. I mean, like, there's so many complicated parts on this car, like not just in helping manufacture, but they help guide us into like what materials we best choose. Like it's incredibly important to have a good fundamental basis of the car, and we couldn't have done that without Fictiv.
I've been undeveloped in my OCD, shipping my anxiety overseas.
First of all, you did it! Second of all, we're not done. We have endurance tomorrow. We need to go charge. We need to get ready. It's not over. There's a lot of work to be done. There's things to get fixed on the car, things to make it better. This is a stepping stone, the start. But we did it! All right, let's go.
Describe us in 3 words. That would be definitely ambitious, passionate, hardworking.
Hardworking, energetic, and enthusiastic.
Determined, passionate, hardworking.
Dare to dream.
Hardworking, ambitious, and fabulous.
Driven, intelligent, and unstoppable.